Hey everybody, Kevin here, Brown's Homestead Harvest House. Shelly and I are finishing up doing our 6 whole birds, and then we had like, 6 whole birds. Oh yeah, 6 whole birds and 6 parted birds, the Cornish crosses. We got more to do this next weekend. Anyways, we're just doing the seal wrap, right? Yep, with a plunge bird. Shelly's gonna do it real quick. What she has is a bird in a bag, and then there's a tube right there, so it lets the air out. She'll put it in for approximately, how long, Shell?
Maybe about 30 to 40 seconds.
If that. So she'll pull it out. And then she pulls the tube. Oh. We walk over here. She does the twist. The twisty on it. And I'm doing this one-handed. And then we put a zip tie. Then we put a zip tie. Can you grab it? There we go. And cinch it up tight. Boom. And V-O-I-L-A. Voila. You have your shrink wrapped Cornish cross. We'll weigh it, label it, and it'll go in the freezer. We'll trim off the zip tie in the bag, make it look all pretty. And that's how you seal wrap a bird. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.